Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Etiforex, the major, your best mentor. Okay, so this strategy is for boom and crash to catch spikes on boom and crash, right? Yeah, let me bring it down for now. Then I'll show you guys. So before I start, I want to tell you guys something from my own experience. Please, you need to pay attention to what I'm about to say now. All right. But before then, just smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, show some love, right? Join the free Telegram channel, check the description of this video to click on our link. Chat me off for accounts management, mentorship, and VIP signals. All right, so um, I want to tell you guys something. When you want to catch spikes, right? Please, please, in general, you guys know that you should know that when trading the financial markets, trading forex in general, you you have to apply proper risk management. Don't ever play with that. When we say apply proper risk management, the first thing you need to know should be how much am I losing if this trade does not go well. All right, how much am I losing? All right, so this is very simple. For example, MT5, they've made it very simple for us to know what to do. So let's say right now I want to buy B 1000, and I will do like this. I open with 0.2 lot size here, just open buy position right there. Okay, just open the buy position right there. So now if I want to set my SL and my TP to know my targets and know how much I'm risking for this very trade, I'll just click on the position I opened, click on that position, just click here, click the position you open, click on it, tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can check down here below. We have this SL and TP button there, options there. So what you need to do is just click. If you want to set your SL, you click on the SL, right? And you can see we have that red line. You drag your SL all the way down to where you want to set. And as it's going down, it's telling you how much you're losing. Look at this. This minus $1.5 if it doesn't go my direction. All right. Then for my TP, if I tap on the TP level, then I drag it up like this, it's gonna tell me how much I'll be making. I'll be making like $1.8. Right. So now you can see now it makes it very easy for me to know how much I'm losing if it doesn't go well. All right, how much I'm risking for this trade. So very simple. MT5, they've made it so simple for us to know what we're doing. All right, so this I believe there are so many people that doesn't know this, because the last time I had a conversation with my free channel guys, everybody, most of them didn't know how to do this. So I had to show them how to do this. All right, so this is what you should be doing. Once you set your TP and SL, the next thing you need to do is click on the arrow, this arrow, right? You click on this arrow here, to take you to where you modify. You click on modify and modify your TP and SL. Once I click on the modify, right, it has been, you can see we have both our TP, we have our SL here and our TP right there. Okay, we have our SL and our TP up there. So if it comes to my SL, I'm losing $1.5. It goes to my TP. I'm just making an example. But when you're trading, make sure that your TP level should be more than your SL level, because for good risk management, you need to join the academy to learn all these stuff, right? So what I wanted to say is that even when you're catching spikes, please know how much you're giving to the market. You cannot risk everything. You cannot be expecting spike to happen. You know, some people be expecting spike, it's going to happen. They expect that miracle to happen, and they expect the miracle to happen. Sometimes it does not come as fast as they expected, right? So the best thing you should do is just know how much you're risking. Like it is now, I'm risking 1.5 dollars. All right, that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so yeah, always know, because something happened to me that I lost so much money. I lost so much money. So please, 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 when you're trading, even when you're catching spike, set your SL, know how much you're losing. Your SL will help you, not because it will just close your help. Your SL will help you, will close the trade automatically, because if you want to make decision, it will be hard for you to make your own decision, because when it's coming down, you might feel like if it passes that level a bit, the next 1 or 2 minutes it will spike, but it will not spike. Keep doing like that, keep um playing with you, right? So, but if you set your SL, once you get to that level, it will just hit and close out. So everybody needs to do that, all right? You need to know how to do this, right? So join the academy. Let me teach you guys more on risk management. Risk management is very important. It's the reason you're not making money. Even as good as you are, you're making good, you know how to analyze the market. Without good risk management, you cannot make money. All right. So now, this strategy is for boom and crash, to catch spikes on boom and crash. All right. Catch spikes on boom and crash. Okay. So it's as simple as, our strategy is always very simple. I make it very simple, but then with over 90% accuracy. All right. So look at this. You just have to wait for price here to drop from up down to the oversold level for boom. All right, once it touches the level 80, between level 80 and 9, between level 20 and 10, there will be a spike. All right, so once it touches the level 20 and pass a bit, like a few minutes later, you just jump in, you open a position, buy position, and allow it to run. And once you open the buy position, you move your SL, you calculate how much you're losing for this trade. You calculate how much you're losing for this trade, and you place your SL right there. Okay. Once you place your SL there, if it doesn't spike and it gets to that point, let it go, let it hit your SL and close. Because if you're catching spike, if your work is to catch spike, if you try 10 times, you might win 5 or 6 times. The 5 or 6 times will cover up everything. But if you do not apply good risk management, it will not cover up everything, because you risk more, way more than you're making. The profits you're making, right? So that's what you do. You set your target, this is your entry, and you set your SL below, quite below there. All right, so this strategy is killing the market, right, guys? It's killing the market, right? Yeah. So look at this one too. Look at when this indicator dropped to the 80, between the 20 and 10 level zone, there was a massive spike. All right, the same thing here. There was a massive spike. Every time, my guys, every time there was massive spike. All right, so that's how to know, that's how to go about boom and crash, to catch spikes on boom and crash perfectly. You must always put your SL or your TP in place. Your SL, very important, very, very important. Your SL in place, so that once it comes to that level and it did not spike, you still close with profits, still make profits, right? So look at this. 1, 2, and 3. All right, so now let me show you guys the settings for this video, for this strategy. We have just 2 indicators. We have the RSI, and we have the MACD. So the first thing we bring in is the RSI. We click in, period is 16, applied to typical price. Levels here, we have the 90, we have the 10, we have the 20, we have the 80. Down here, when it comes down here, we have style. Here we use red color. You put the red color and you click on done. All right, so I didn't show you guys the levels. These are the levels there. We have 90, 10, 20, and 80, right? You click on done. Then you go back again. you add the MACD, we have fast EMA 10, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 12, applied to median price. And down here, if you're using where you have style, on that main, when you have main, you use white if your MT5 background is white, you use white so that it won't be shown on the charts. Then the signal should be colored. You can use any color of your choice. I'm using blue, right? Then you click on done. All right, that's simple. That's simple, guys. That's simple. You just have to wait for market to get to the indicator to drop to level 20, in between 20 and 10. Then you open the position right there. And another thing is that if you're catching spike, you need to understand the market trend too. You need to understand the market trend. The truth is, if you can add a bit of price action to what you're doing here, catching spikes, you make so much money. A bit of price action helps. So you can. Price action is very important, guys. Price action tells you the future, tells you what's going to happen in the future. All right. So with the help of price action, you're making good profits. All right. So yeah, check the description, join our Telegram channel. Our academy opens, February batch opens on the 3rd of, on the 3rd. And I've created the group already, the channel already. It's just for me to send the links for everybody that registered to join, and also share some PDF with them. Once you join, I'll share PDF and some videos to guide you even before we start our classes. Then another thing, our classes, as we're coming into the class, we ask question. I give assignments which you submit the next day, and also we record everything we do, and then I'll send it to everybody so that you learn from what we've discussed so far. If you did not understand, have a better understanding, go back to the video, watch to have good understanding, right? Yeah, a lot of stuff. So you have any issue, come to me. And once you enroll for our academy, for our mentorship, it comes with my lifetime VIP signal. So once you enroll with just $60, you can have access to lifetime VIP signals. All right. So guys, this is the strategy. Join, learn, have the skill, and once you have the skill, nobody can take it away from you. I have the best pattern where I teach people and you understand easily. All right. So that'll be all for now, guys. Thank you. I love you. Bye bye.